Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. It's your girlie Ann Anderson. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple, quick and easy hairstyle that I love to do on my hair, which I call the Afro bob hairstyle. Yes, Afro bob, because it's more like an afro but in a bob way. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm doing is I'm removing the wool off my hair. As y'all guys should know, I do not like to blow dry my hair. I prefer putting wool and let my hair air dry because I do not want any heat damage on my hair. No heat damage. So this is how I keep my hair healthy, and just putting wool in your hair helps to grow your hair as well. So I'm just removing the wool and then I'm just detangling the hair with my hands. Now I am on my last one, and when I'm done, I am going to spray in some Easy Waves Oil Sheen Comb Out Conditioner hairspray. And if you don't have this type of hairspray, you can just spray in some water in your hair. This just helps to make your hair, ready to take in product, or to be detangled. It just helps to loosen up your hair and get ready. So next I'm taking this detangling brush, and I'm using it to just detangle my hair before I use a big comb to detangle my hair. So that is what I'm doing. Now I'm using this big comb just to fully and make sure that I fully detangled my hair. And this is the most important part, guys. You really need to detangle your hair so that the bob hairstyle comes out pretty cool. Now I just took a comb that has 3 tails. I prefer you use a comb that has 1 tail to section your hair, but I couldn't find mine, so I'm using my fingers and the comb to section my hair. Now this is the way I want to style my hair. I really want to style that one part of my hair is like a shed in my face, and the other one is back. You're gonna see when we are done. So I'm really just trying to section my hair and really make sure that I really parted the hair properly and neatly. Once I'm satisfied, I'm just gonna pat my hair and pat and comb, pat and comb till I'm satisfied, because I really want the hair to look even and looking cute. It's a very simple and quick hairstyle you can do. So I'm now patting it and just making sure everything is even, and once I'm satisfied, it will be the final look. And this is the final look, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up for me, and see y'all in the next video.